Never lose hope. Tomorrow could be the day you've been praying for, waiting for in silence while everyone around you thought you were fine. Maybe today was filled with pain, closed doors, and disappointments. But don't let that kill your faith. Your life can change overnight. One moment, one opportunity, one yes from God can rewrite everything. You've come too far to give up now. You didn't survive all those silent battles just to break now. Even when it's dark, even when no one checks on you, don't stop believing. You're not forgotten. You're not done. Your time is coming. And when it does, they'll wonder how you kept going. But only you will know the fire it took to keep walking. So wipe your tears and lift your head and hold on. Because tomorrow might just be the breakthrough that makes all your pain make sense.